What is up, everybody? This is Long Shot Arrow. And that's Swifter. Alright, we are starting our next Pokemon series.
Wow! I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh. Anyways, we are doing a Pokemon Leaf Green Nuzlocke.
Yeah.
You hype? You hype, dude?
No.
You hype,
really.
Swifter?
No.
Bruh. Anyway. Hello there. I'm glad to meet you.
Welcome to the world of Pokemon.
My name is Oak.
People affectionately refer to me as the Pokemon Professor.
This world.
It is inhabited by far
Come
and
on,
wide and creatures called Pokemon.
For some people, Pokemon are pets. Others use them for battling.
As for myself,
I study Pokemon as a profession.
but first, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Now tell me, are you a boy or a girl?
What do you think?
Girl, obviously.
Oh my god.
Let's begin with your name. What is it?
Nina?
Alright. My name is Arrow.
Oh, come on!
Yee. This is my grandson. He's been your rival. Or what was his name?
Oh, that's
He
so
does it. Okay, I have a theory that Professor Oak has Alzheimer's disease.
Oh, dang. Hurry up, man.
Alright, there we go.
Yeah.
Yee.
Yeet. Yee storm.
Alright, let's go.
He's so small.
Bruh.
I'm sorry.
Okay, let's get that potion. And hopefully we don't screw up the Nuzlocke like
Wait,
we did
what
with
Nuzlocke are we doing?
Pokemon Leaf Green.
I know which Nuzlocke.
A Nuzlocke!
I know which one.
There's multiple Nuzlockes!
Exactly that. I'm asking for a certain one.
It's a Nuzlocke. There's only one type of Nuzlocke, and that's Nuzlocke. There's also Wonderlock, Slacklock, and a lot of other stuff.
What's Wonderlock?
I don't know.
Okay.
Anyways,
So
so I will
is-
explain the rules of a Nuzlocke. The rules are: if your Pokemon dies, one of your Pokemon faints, it is considered dead and you cannot use it again.
How are we gonna train our Pokemon then?
You can only catch the first Pokemon you encounter in a new route. That is going to be tough because there are some certain Pokemon I really want. What is there anything else? Oh yeah, if all of your Pokemon faint, you lose the challenge. That is tough.
This series is gonna end like, I don't know, in 5 episodes.
Who should we choose? So I'm pretty sure this is Bulbasaur, this is Squirtle, and this is Charmander. Okay. Let's.
Charmander.
Why?
Fire.
No. I say Squirtle. Okay, let's compromise. Bulbasaur, because I want Squirtle, you want Charmander, so
I want Bulbasaur.
I want Charmander.
What? I want Charmander.
I want Squirtle. Okay, let's just go with Bulbasaur.
No!
Yes. No. he's choking me.
Slap, 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 slap.
Alright, let's name it. Let's name it.
Get off, dog! Wait, is that...
In honor of our Pokemon Dark Rising series that is currently on hold, I don't like you. I will name this Bulbasaur right here Nirvana the Second.
That's 2 eyes.
Yeah.
Oh, crap!
Alright, Charmander.
Wait, then who receives the Bulbasaur? The, Squirtle?
The Pokemon. He's a hoarder. Wait, Arrow, let's check out our Pokemon. First battle.
No.
Please don't die.
Die, die, die. I hope you die. Wait, since, wait a sec.
What?
I just realized something.
What?
What happens if Charmander dies?
Dun, 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 dun,
Oh dear.
dun.
One of the Pokemon are going to die.
Yep.
What if you die? You lost.
You know what? This is kind of boring. I'll growl.
Keep on using growl.
No. No, man. I win! Get wrecked!
What happens to Charmander then?
I don't know. And I don't care. Okay, I'll make my Pokemon battle
Hey!
to toughen it up.
Hey!
Arrow, Gramps, smell you later. Swifter actually just snipped me.
I'm sorry.
Alright, let's go.
Well, he did say
I-
smell you later.
Alright. I'll just fast forward it because I
Smell
don't
you later.
have any of that good stuff. That running shoes materials.
I have a knife in my hand. I'm gonna stab you in the Pokemon cave.
Dude, that is
Psychopathic?
yes.
Well, psychopath.
Very.
It's a psychopath.
Alright, let's go heal up.
This is start.
Hey, you came from Pilot Town? You know the Professor Oak, right?
His altar came in. Can I get you to take him to him?
Yeah, we got it.
We got it, boy. We got it.
Alright, please don't die. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Ah!
He stabbed himself on accident. Don't play with other stuff. Oh, Arrow, how's my old Pokemon? Well, it seems to be growing more attached to you. You must be as talented as a Pokemon.
Steal the
trainer.
other Pokemon.
What's that? You have something for me? Yes. Good job.
You just got an encyclopedia for Pokemon.
Uh-huh. Alright, let's go to...
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Actually, let's go to your house, Swifter. Let's talk to your sister. Grandpa asked you to run on an errand?
Jeez, that is lazy of him. Here, have this. This will help you.
Help you? Alright, let's
How
go.
may I help you?
How may I help you?
I help you by the knife.
I don't have any Pokeballs, right? Dang it, I do! I'll just let that slide for now. Okay, so our second Pokemon will be a Pidgey.
That's That's not bad.
Alright. Let's call her.
Oh, dude.
What?
You better heal up Nirvana.
Flight. Alright. I'll call her Harper because it's like Harpy. You know?
Oh. I'm hungry.
Crap.
You named it Harpy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Harpy! Harpy! Alright, so I healed up them, so it's time to train.
Harpy. No, it's Juan.
Dude. Level 8.
Nice.
Alright, I'll get Nirvana to like level 9. And then I'll train up Harpy. Although I really doubt Harpy can win. Harpy!
If Harpy dies, you're gonna need a new Pokemon.
Yeah, I will. No, Nirvana! Do not. Oh geez.
Is he level 9?
No. Nirvana the second is level 8. Let's see what's over here. Oh, this is a different route. Let's see what Pokemon we end up. What? 2 flying Pokemon. Okay. Great. Just great. Let's use a Pokeball.
Pokeball. Okay, heal.
I'll name it Lancer. No, wait, that's a boy. That's a boy. Spear. A spear. What's related to a spear?
But that's more of a boy's name.
PC. Pierce is a boy's name too. I know. I don't know.
Well, I know. The Ellen Show.
No, I'll just call it Bird.
Oh, so mean. No, do put unknown.
No, I'll just call it Bird.
That's sad.
Yep, kinda is. But when life gives you lemons, you squeeze them.
You squeeze them and life's mandatory.
Yep. Almost level 9.
So close. And then Nirvana dies.
Why? That would be pretty depressing if Nirvana died. All my Harpy and Bird are healed up.
Ooh, I have an idea.
You're so cruel, man.
Make
Harpy actually is pretty
not
good.
Harpy. I mean Bird.
Why do you want to make Bird die? You're so cruel, man.
You hate the bird.
The Bird.
I know. Such a good name.
I told you, the Bird is good.
The bird be like, I have a red back.
Bruh.
Is it me or are we?
Okay, I'll grind them up a little bit in between episodes and stuff. Alright.
What if you lose?
They don't know that.
In between episodes?
Yeah. Yee.
Yeet!
Wait, is this another route? Route 2 is down here. Route 2. Route 1. Okay. Wow, we're having like 4 Pokemon already. And it's another Pidgey!
You know?
I can't. I have to catch it.
So many Pidgeys. Wait, can you put them in your PC?
No.
Wow!
You can't.
Why?
Because they don't let you do it until they die. Die!
Potato.
Harpy.
Friend.
All right, let's train it up. All right.
Okay, someone farted.
You.
We all know who it is.
All right. Level 4 Harpy. I'm actually gonna train up Bird, cause Bird is cool. I'd rather have Bird over Harpy and.
I'll be right back.
What? No. Walt Swifter just abandoned me. How cruel is that? But anyways, that wraps it up, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, leave a like and comment. And if you want to see more, subscribe. I help you. This is the Long Shot Arrow. And on behalf of Stupid Swifter Gameplay, I'll see you guys later. Bye!